Hello, my name's Chris and welcome to Installing Everything. Microsoft's Internet Explorer 3 was released on August the 13th, 1996. Internet Explorer 3 was the first browser with partial CSS support. It also introduced support for ActiveX controls, Java applets, inline multimedia, and the PIC system for content metadata. Internet Explorer 3 also came bundled with Internet Mail and News, Net Meeting, and an early version of the Windows address book. In the first few months after its release, a number of security and privacy vulnerabilities were found by researchers and hackers. This was the first version of Internet Explorer to have the blue E logo. During the 3 months it took to create Internet Explorer 3, roughly 100 people worked on the project. Internet Explorer 3 has now been installed. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, catch you in the next one.